Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining me today for another hair tutorial. Um, I was gonna use my dry shampoo and I ran out, so I'm gonna have to figure this hairstyle out, and you're gonna come along with me. Um, so this hairstyle is all about being random and taking sections. You take a little section. I have some water here because it kind of helps grab my baby hair, a lot of baby hair. Take it and just wrap it just like so. And then you pin it up. My last hair tutorial that I did, taking like your long hair and making it look short, just using gel. That's all I use, gel and bobby pins. And people, like my entire family, like called me up and they're like, Rachel, did you cut your hair? And I'm like, no, I didn't. It's just a hairstyle. So the last time I did this hairstyle too, people were just like, oh my gosh, I can't believe she cut her hair. But I didn't. So you want to go in like random directions. You're going to see. It's going to look good. If it doesn't look good, then I probably won't upload it. I'll probably this will be like a fail video. And I got a bunch of those. Ooh, this one's kind of big. I should probably make it a little bit smaller. Yes. Hmm. Oh dear. My 3-year-old calls me, she calls me mama. But she says it's so cute. She's like, mama. It's so cute. When she was a baby, she would call me honey. And that's because like my husband's side of the family is part Spanish. And so they call everybody mama. Hi mama, hi mama. They call her little mama. So she was just like, what can I call my mom? Because everyone's mama. So she started calling me honey. Um, but now she calls me mama. But she says it so cutely, like just so darn cute. And so yesterday wore an outfit for church, and you know how it is? Like, okay, it's been 2 years. My baby is 2 years, and I have not lost the baby weight. Didn't lose it. So I was just like, I need clothes. It's been 2 years. I'm not losing this weight. And like, it's just not happening. So I went out. I bought this really pretty dress. I feel good in it, wearing it to church. I come downstairs, and my 3-year-old, she's like, "Oh, mama, not that dress for church." I'm like, "What's wrong with my dress?" And and then my 2-year-old is like, "Sissy, it has flowers. It has butterflies." And I'm like, "Yes, sissy, it has flowers and butterflies." But today they approved this outfit, just so you know. They were like, my 2-year-old was like, "That's pretty, mom. Pretty." Like, thank you. My girls got so much sass. I was telling my family, telling my family members all about their sass, and they were just like, "Really?" I'm like, "Yes. Oh yes, they got sass." This is just water that I'm putting in just to kind of grab it, and then just place it. Okay. Need a little bit more bobby pins. This one's kind of falling down. Okay, so here's my thing for the back. Because I don't have that much hair, I am going to pin curl it. Now, I have the weirdest hair. It's like a quarter of it is straight, a quarter of it's wavy, a quarter of it's curly. It just doesn't make up its mind. But I can really like help I could really help create the curls. So what I'm gonna do is take 3 sections, and I'm just gonna wet it, and I'm gonna try to make a curl. So if you have straight hair, you could continue this style all the way in the back, like you can, and just do it all the way around. Or you could curl your hair, but I'm just gonna try to get some waves, because when it dries, it'll dry like this. It'll be like really big. And so you're gonna take this, and then you're just gonna put it wherever you want to put it. So I'm gonna take it and then just keep pinning it around wherever there's like a little bit of a loose spot. So right here is good for me. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Oh, that's not good. Okay, I have to fix that. All right. I'm just gonna do a little circle one with this because it's not quite working out. Okay. Yeah, so you could take the back of the hair in the back and just kind of drape it however you want to drape it. I think. What I want to do is take it, pin it. Yeah, I feel like I have an empty space right here. I don't have my flour with me. Yeah, like you kind of just feel around, and I know I have like an empty space right here. So I just kind of need something to kind of fill it in. Where is my stuff? I'm gonna show you what I got so far in the back, right? Okay, and this side. Yeah, I feel like I need something here, so I'm gonna go get like a little flower or something. Okay, I couldn't find my flower, but what I decided to do is just to redo this one because it is such a big piece. I could make it just work a little bit better. You could just, if you make smaller little loops, the more thicker it'll look, and the more fuller your hair would look. Mhm. Yeah, so instead of just making it one little roll, I'm just gonna make two. Okay, so kind of want this to be a little bit tighter. Just however you kind of want it. Kind of want this a little bit more curlier, but yeah, that's fine. And let's see. I'm just gonna take this and just pull it back a little bit more, just so it's like you see a little bit of a bald spot. Just push it down a little bit more so it covers that. All right, so this is the final product, you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you give it a try because it is really simple. And I really wish that this didn't run out because then you don't really have to try to cover all the bald spots, the thin spots, and everything. Um, and I hope this helps you. And I hope you really try it because I think it's just disgustingly cute. Disgustingly cute in a good way. Okay, yeah. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and for commenting and for all the thumbs up and the shares and everything like that. I'm at 7,000 subscribers. It's such a big deal for me. So yeah, thank you. And I hope you like this. I hope you really give this a try. Just give it a shot because it's like there's no product. And if you have frizzy, thin hair like me on a nice summer day, this could really, really be nice, you know. It's out of your way and it's pretty. And just you could dress it up, you know, put some flowers in there. It'll just be really, really cute. All right, bye guys. Mwah.